Hello guys, today we're taking an in-depth look at Micron Technology. Micron Technology is an American producer of computer memory, computer data storage, including DRAM, flash memory, and SSDs. As of the 18th of December 2024, the stock is priced at $110 with a market cap of 120 billion. Now looking at valuation, we can see that their forward price to earnings is 13.8 compared to a historical 10-year average of 12.7. Their price to cash flow is 14.1 and their forward dividend yield is 0.42%. Their revenue has increased by 17.1% over the past 5 years. Their net income has increased by 28.7%, but uh, it should be noted that they calculated from 2021 to 2025 because they represent the averages for their respective cycles because this is a cyclical business. Now, their earnings per share, which I've calculated from 2020 to 2024, shows a minus 70.5% change, and their no common shares outstanding have decreased by 1.1%. So very close to uh, the number of common shares outstanding is in 2020. Their liquidity solvency is pretty good. The interest coverage ratio is only 2.2, but it should be of note that their net income this year has been very low. uh, as I've said, this is a cyclical business, but next year their interest coverage ratio will increase a lot, so this isn't a problem. Their quick ratio is very good at 1.68. Their long-term debt equity ratio is 0.25, and their debt equity ratio is also 0.25, both showing a low debt load. Their cash from operations has increased by 2.4%. Their cash from investing has increased by 9.5%. Cash from financing has increased by 481%, and capex has decreased by 1.9%. In terms of free cash flow, they've grown by 45.8%. And now moving to the financial ratios, we can see that their return on equity is 1.8%. The return on invested capital is 6.7%. The return on assets is 1.3%, and the return on investments is 2.2%. Now, there is stock valuation, which I've calculated from three methods: DCF valuation, multiples valuation, analyst expectations. Is the intrinsic value, which is 118.85. This is basically the average of all of the three methods above. And of course, adding to the intrinsic value a 15% margin of safety, you get an acceptable buy price of $101.02, indicating that the company is trading near fair value. Now, to conclude, I believe this is a great business with a great balance sheet. Of course, this is a cyclical business, and it's a technical business. It's in technology. So if you are knowledgeable about that, then that's very good. I'm not really an expert on technology, so I cannot give many great points. I can't really comment on their products. I can't comment on their future. So if you are more knowledgeable about the technical side, then you definitely have an advantage over other investors. Um, so yeah, I believe this is not really a good price for now. This is just a hold, but if it drops to $90, then I think it would be a buy. Yeah, also a big thing with the cyclical businesses is you never know how to calculate their future cash flows because you never know how long the cycles will be and you never know how big they'll be, how bad the down years will be. So this is a very hard company to calculate fair value, in my opinion. So all of the numbers that I used are very, very subjective. But I will say that $90 there I buy. Of course, do your own due diligence. Now, we now have an affiliate, Ticker Data. Ticker Data is a great product. It's a great tool actually, where you can get real-time financial data for your spreadsheets, and you can also get a premium spreadsheets, for example, for your portfolio analysis, for stock analysis. You can actually check it out in the link in the description below to see more of it. And in the future, I'll be integrating it into my videos to see just so you can see just how good ticker data is. Uh, yeah, I hope you find it useful. I hope you like it. It's a great tool. I've used it a lot for my personal portfolio to keep track of it, and I hope you can too. Now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to also check out my blog in the description. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.